Recording.
Can we please start with the interview?
एक मिनट मैम.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
My first question is, what is your most important learning in life, according to professional and personal life?
Patience. Patience.
Okay, sir. Can you please elaborate it?
That you don't get success immediately.
Okay, sir.
Right. So you have to strive for it, and it takes years and years together to be successful. So unless you are patient, you can't be success. So patient is hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
patient is one of the most important learnings in life. And the second is that you must move first. You must move, and only when you move, you get new ways. Just like what you call it, journey of 1,000 miles begins with this single step. That you need to move, and only when you will move, you will get something in the life. It's not there; things would not come to you. You will have to go out to reach it. That is what I feel is uh, is a motto, or what you have learned in this life up till now.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, what is the change you wish to see in Indian judiciary?
Delays in judicial adjudication is the most fatal thing. A case remains delays. A case remains pending in the court for years together, and that gives good amount of trauma to the citizens. Unless the delay part in the judiciary is tackled with, we are not going to serve neither the institution nor the citizens. If the delay part is reduced at every stage of litigation, more people would be flocking to the courts for getting their matters adjudicated. Here at one stage, the case gets 5 years. Even in trial courts, case take 5 years. If you go to higher court, case take 20 years. Now, if your litigation is taking 20 years of time to get decided, then who would like to come to the court?
Yes, sir.
So that is the greatest anathema of Indian judicial system, that it doesn't gives you an expeditious decision.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is criminal side, whether it is civil side, rather civil side, it takes more time than the criminal side. Now, if there is a conviction, by trial court may expeditiously decide the matter, say within a year or 2 years, and man gets life sentence, right? Now he files an appeal before the High Court, and High Court take 8 years, 10 years to decide the appeal. Now, suppose if the High Court acquits him and he is behind the bars for last 10 years, then who is going to return those lost 10 years to him?
Yes, sir.
There is no remedy. He has already suffered. Even if he is acquitted, his youth would not come to him back. His family time would not come to him back. Now, you can't really compensate, even if you give him money, that okay, now he stands acquitted, we give you say 10 lakh rupees, we give you 50 lakh rupees as a compensation for what you have lost. But though you may compensate him monetarily, but you can't give him the time back, because it is an irreversible process. Time is irreversible. So that is the greatest anathema of Indian judicial system, what I believe.
Yes, sir. It's just like the justice delayed is justice denied.
Yes, justice delayed is indeed justice denied, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
If you are able to get a civil suit is filed in the court, and from trial court to the Supreme Court, it takes 25 years, or sometimes it has taken 50 years.
Yes, sir.
Then what justice is going to, which generation would get the benefit of it?
Yes,
The
sir.
father files it, and then grandson, contests the matter before the courts. Neither the son has got the relief, the grand, and by the time it comes to decision, the entire succeeding generation loses interest in the matter, unless some money is involved in it. Right. So delay is the greatest outcome of the judicial system.
So my last question is, what message do you want to convey to the next generation?
We all belong to one generation only. There's nothing like next generation. The whole
Law
the
students like
is
us.
work as work and work. That's work is worship.
Yes.
Is the message to
Any
all.
message
Whether to
or
this generation or next generation, right?
yes, sir. So any message or you
Hello.
can yes, sir.
My message is work is worship, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So any guidance you can give to me in this work field?
Specifically, any important, matlab, any specific question? What I guidance in what?
Guidance in working in judiciary or advocacy?
Here, ma'am, totally depends upon what is your choice in the life.
Yes, sir.
Whether you want to go in the litigation side or you want to go on the judicial side. If you want to go on the judicial side, definitely examinations are there. You can write the examination of judicial services.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to be on the litigation side, then you can come to courts and join the senior professionals, and you can succeed in the profession.
Yes, sir.
And nowadays, the avenues are available on the corporate side also. You can join that also.
Yes, sir.
So multiple avenues are available for both men and women advocates.
Yes,
It
sir.
depends totally upon your choice, where your inclination lies. But there is nothing like litigation, I believe. It takes time, but nothing like litigation. It gives you daily a new challenge before the court is there. Whereas under the corporate law when you are engaged on full time basis with some organization, the work is slightly monotonous. Whereas on litigation line, you get a different variety of work, which infuses you with enthusiasm, and that generate a lot of things. But it's a long profession. It's a long. The lawyer never retires. He only dies.
So that's all. Thank you so much for your time. I'm grateful.
Okay, ma'am.